We've been offline for a while now, working on an exciting project with Tiny Home Tours. More on that, but first, we're taking you on a challenging hike today to an alpine lake that's been a dream for a while. This hike is beyond our usual comfort zone, but after seeing pictures, we wanted to experience it for ourselves. We knew the hike would be tough, especially with the unpredictable weather forecast. But we're determined and have been training for it. The rain finally let up, so we packed up and started the trail.
We got across here.
At nearly 10 miles with about 2,000 feet elevation at one main spot, it was something bigger than we have attempted yet. The hike started off fairly easy, but then with a little bit of incline came some beautiful scenery.
That's the motivation to get up there. Look how fast the clouds are moving.
But soon the weather decided to test us. A light drizzle began to fall, quickly turning into a steady, hard rain.
Hard to see with the waterfalls right here next to us. It's still raining, but see the waterfall there, and wow, look at that fog.
We pressed on, each step taking us further, deeper into the wilderness and further out of our comfort zone. The trail became muddy and slippery, making each step a challenge. As much as we wanted to continue, we found ourselves under a tree hanging out for a minute.
Guys, we're just waiting out the rain here at another location.
The rain had soaked our pants and our hats, but actually we just took in the views and smiled. What an experience. This was something beyond what we were used to, and just to add to the excitement of attempting a new goal. And finally, after stopping many times to take in the views, take a few pictures, stop for the rain, we reached the Alpine lake. Though it was still raining, it was amazing. Sitting by the lake, taking in the incredible views, we knew that every step, every struggle was worth it. After a little bit, the sun came out and really made the colors of the lake pop even more. And that was what we can't fully capture through a camera. This is what we came for. It's really uncomfortable to step out of your comfort zone. I mean, after all, isn't that why it's called a comfort zone? Looking at this hike and planning it, 10 miles and that steep of elevation, what were we thinking? And then to add the rain and the storm coming through on top of that, but if we wouldn't have tried it and done it, attempted it, what would all the training be for? It's now or never. Sometimes you just need to take the leap and do it. And I think that's what we've realized. This adventure reminds us of why we love the outdoors, a reason to continue to push ourselves even more, and why we share these experiences with you as well, the best we can through a lens. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. What's next for us? We're partnering with Tiny Home Tours and building out an expedition truck to continue our full-time travels. That's the reason we've been quiet on here. Shortly after visiting Idaho and Wyoming last fall, we found a truck, spent a lot of time planning, and started the build out in February. At the time of posting this video, we've moved into our truck and are back on the road to share more of full-time life on the road.